Hi friends, this video is the continuation of problems on EMF equation of single phase transformers part 3. Don't skip the video, watch it completely with carefully.
Here the seventh problem is a single phase transformer has 500 turns on primary and 1000 turns on secondary. The EMF per turn is 0.2 volt. Calculate 1. EMF induced in the primary and secondary. 2. The net cross sectional area of core for a maximum flux density of 0.045 Tesla. 3. kVA rating of transformer if the current in primary at full load is 10 amps. The frequency is 50 Hz. First of all, write given data. It is a single phase transformer. It has 500 turns on primary. That means N1 is equal to 500 turns and 1000 turns on secondary. That means N2 is equal to 1000 turns. The EMF per turn is 0.2 volts. That means EMF per turn that is equal to E1 by N1 E2 by N2 that is equal to 4.44 5mF is 0.2 volt. Okay, to calculate, it means to find out 1. EMF induced in the primary and secondary, that means E1 and E2. 2. The net cross sectional area of core, it means A, for a maximum flux density of 0.045 Tesla. That means he given to find out area maximum flux density, that is Bm is equal to 0.045 Tesla. And third one is kVA rating of transformer. That means transformer rating is equal to what? If the current in primary at full load is 10 amps and the frequency is 50 Hz. So we given to find out kVA rating I1FL is equal to 10 amps and it has given frequency is 50 Hz. This is the given data. We should find these three. And solution, we already know to find out E1 and E2. It means induced EMFs. E1 is equal to see the formulas. These are the formulas. Memorize these formulas. To find E1, here the given data. See, N1 is there and EMF per turn also there. First formula is suited to find E1 here. So E1 is equal to EMF per turn into N1. Then EMF per turn is 0.2 into N1 500 turns, that is equal to 100 volts. Okay, E2 EMF per turn into N2. Then here 0.2 into 1000 turns N2 is, so 200 volts. Okay, 2 5 10. So this is the first question solution. And second question, to find area. In this, to find area, this formula is suited, or this formula also suited. See, here E1 is there and E2 is also there. This is E1 and this is E2, and N1 N2 are given here. Bm also given, frequency is 50, so we use any one. I am using this formula to find A. Then A is equal to E1 by 4.44 Bm Fn1. Here E1 is 100, 4.44 Bm value is 0.045. 0.045 into F is 50 Hz and number of turns on primary 500. Then area A is equal to 100 by 4.44 into 0.045 into 50 into 500, that is 0.02 meter square. Finally, third one, kVA rating or transformer rating is equal to I1FL into V1. We know one thing, kVA rating or transformer rating is equal to primary side volt amp or secondary side volt amp. Here primary side volt amp, it is equal to I1FL is 10 amps given in the given data. So 10 amps into V1 is, E1 is equal to V1 in the case of these problems on EMF equation. So V1 is equal to 100, that is equal to 10 cubed. That means 10 cubed means 1 kVA. This is the units for transformer rating. See, the EMF induced in the primary 100 amps, the induced EMF on secondary 200 amps. Net cross sectional area of core A is 0.02 meter square, and finally kVA rating of transformer 1 kVA. Here the 8th problem is maximum flux density in the core of a 250 by 3000 volt 50 Hz single phase transformer is 1.2 Weber per meter square. If the EMF per turn is 8 volt, determine 1. Primary and secondary turns, 2. Area of the core. First write the given data. Here voltage ratio is given, that means here V1 that is equal to E1 is 250 volts and E2 is equal to 3000 volts. Frequency F is 50 Hz and it is given as it is a single phase transformer. Maximum flux density in the core is 1.2 Weber per meter square, that means B max 1.2 Weber per meter square, and EMF per turn is 8 volt. EMF per turn, it is equal to E1 by N1, it is equal to E2 by N2, it is equal to 4.445 M. F also same value, so 8 volt. To find out the given one primary and secondary turns, means N1 and N2, and second one is area of the core, means area. These two we should find these two. The solution is to find out N1 and N2. See the formulas, which formula is suited. To find N1, here they given E1 and EMF per turn. So these two values are given. We can easily find this N1. So I am using that formula to find out N1. E1 by EMF per turn, that is equal to E1 value is 250 by EMF per turn 8 volts. Then N1 is 250 by 8, that gives 31.25 turns. Turns are not in fraction, so N1 that is equal to 32 turns. Similarly N2 is equal to E2 by EMF per turn, that is equal to 3000 volts by 8, that is equal to 3000 by 8, 375 tons. Finally, area A is equal to find area, see there is two ways. Here E1 is there, E2 is also there, and N1, N2 tons. Here N1 and N2 tons are finded, and Bmax is given here 1.2 Weber per meter square. So I am using this formula to find A. Then E1 by 4.44 Bmfn1, that is equal to E1 is 250 by 4.44 into 1.2 into 50 into N1 is 32. Then A is equal to 250 by 4.44 into 1.2 into 50 into 32, that gives us to 0.029 meter square, approximately equal to 0.03 meter square.